Time to wake up the kids. Hey, hey. Morning, morning, morning. Rise and shine.
5 hours later.
All right, we're here at, what's this place called? It's a nature reserve, or Lion and Rhino Nature Reserve. We just paid, actually don't know how much it was, but Mobi was free, which is good. And yeah, what time is it? At 12. They close at 5. Yeah, we should have came here a bit earlier. There's so much to do. We're doing the caves and also the, what else? Yeah, the self-drive, the caves, feeding the giraffes. What else? Yeah, there's a lot to do. Stick around. All right, so now we're going for a self-drive quickly. We have the feeding at 1, so I think we have 40 minutes or 35 minutes to do a self-drive, then go see the feeding. So the time is 12:45. Actually, I don't know how to do this self-drive thing. Let's go see what's happening. All right, I see it now. So you just need to drive through here. The feeding is beyond the gate. Why are people not at work on a Wednesday? Why? Yeah. Damn, I wanna get that. Oh, damn, this is steep. Yes.
Welcome everybody. From the sun, we will be kind of by the lift all the way to the northern chamber. We will make a turn later on. That's 125 meters in length. Width from one side wall to the opposite side wall. The darker rings is your dry seasons. The white rings, your wetter seasons. Slow growth. This one is alive. You can see the water droplets on it. Just drip down. 1 centimeter every 100 to 150 years. It's fast. This is really fast. You'll see on the side of the formations there are tiny little piglets sticking out sideways.
There's a baboon here. Died 50 million years ago.
When you wake up, you brush your teeth, you jump in the shower, get dressed, get stuff to school, get back to lunch boxes with.
Oh, that was so much fun. That's a giraffe. Dami dito. Come, Elise! Woohoo! What was this? Hey! Woohoo! Uphelile ukudla. Uyabonza mina ukudla. Ay, pulo pa. And we are done for the day. Home time.